Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So on today's video, we will be doing a Walmart haul. So thank you so much, Walmart, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I did find a few cute pieces I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's get started. So you guys will see two of the outfits that will be included in this haul because they were just so cute. I could not wait. So this is the first one. When I first wore this, I did pair it with some high heel shoes, but you could do flats, tennis shoes to make it a more casual look. But it is a set. It does come together. It's like the windbreaker material, and this is like a little vest. It has a zipper in the front, so you could do up or down. I really wish this was long sleeve, but I'm kind of feeling the short vest with it. You have the little adjustable strings at the bottom, so you can make the bottom of it as tight or as loose as you need to. I prefer this zipped up like this, and then it just gives it a little more sportier look to me. I really like it. I'll have all my sizes and links in the description box below. And this is how it looks in the back. Really cute. The next outfit, how cute. Everybody went crazy over this when I first wore this. Like, everybody wanted to know where it was from. Once I told them it was from Walmart, they could not believe it. This is so cute, so my style. Now y'all know I am a sunglass girl, so I would definitely wear a pair of sunglasses with this just to spice it up a bit. But this is so cute. It has drawstrings on the side, so you can make the middle as tight or as loose as you want. I prefer an oversized look. The only thing that I have to say about this romper is that it doesn't have pockets, but other than that, super cute, super trendy. I love the sleeves on it, so sporty. I love it. It looks so cute, especially with my hair like this. I absolutely love it. Nice and comfortable. I love this look. Next up, are you guys ready? Right on trend. I know you guys are seeing these vests and pants combination everywhere. Very, very trendy. They didn't come as a set. You have to buy each piece separately. The pants, I had to go up because they don't have any stretch, and y'all know I am a very curvy girl. I need my stretch, so I had to go up a 14. But this is how the pants look. I would not have to get these tailored or anything because they just fit perfect right off of the rack. Okay, and I love that. I love the length, I love the fit, I love it all. It's so cute, and this is like a linen material. Love it. Now the only thing about this vest, that's why I still have the tag on, they only had a extra large, and the extra large is 16-18, so that's too big for me. I wish it fit like this because I like that look better. It has 3 buttons. I just love this. Like, y'all know that this is my vibe. I wear stuff like this all the time, and like I said, it's trending right now. You see the waistcoat, this, you see these all the time. Like, they're everywhere. I own maybe like 5 different ones. So this look, you cannot go wrong. Like, it's so good. And look at the material. It's like a linen. So cute. This can also be dressed up or down, heels or flats, whatever you want to do. You can even throw on some trainers with this, and it's a look. Okay, your sunglasses, a cute little bag, it's everything. I love these pants. Like, the pants alone, so cute. I actually have another look that I'm gonna pair with this, so I'm gonna just show you guys how it looks. But these pants are everything. So good. So let me try on another top with the pants. How stinking cute. This is another top from Walmart. Very cute, very stretchy. I got this in an extra large because I didn't want it to have any type of you know, rolls coming over in the back, but I love this look. This is another really cute look. With this type of top, it dresses it up a little bit so you can wear it to dinner, you know, have you a little blinged out bag, a pop of color, whatever you want to do. But I love it. I'm obsessed with these pants. Like, they look so good, and they look so good that I got it in another color. Let's see. Y'all, now this, I have some pants like this with the pinstripes. Can y'all see? Now this vest is a large, the other one is an extra large. These pants are a size 12. I wanted to show you guys the difference so you guys see how tight they fit. Like, they're really tight in the hip and in the butt, but the style itself, so good, so trendy. Like I said, right on trend. So I need to exchange these for a 14 and exchange the vest for a large because I like the way the large vest fits. I do wish it was a little tighter because it just looks better with the pants, but the pants have to be a little looser. But that's how they look in the back. I mean, if this is your style, I'm not too sure if these will loosen up throughout the day, but I do want to go back and get the 14 instead of the 12. So, but this, like, how cute is this? Affordable prices and very trendy look. And with these, you can also wear these to work. Looser fit with the pants, but you know, the black one is my favorite. I love it. It's so cute. So me. Okay guys, so that is it for today's Walmart haul. We will be going back to get the large vest because I really like the way that that one fits. And then for the striped pants, we'll be getting a size 14 because again, it doesn't have stretch. I love the way the 14s fit in the black linen. So we will definitely be going back for a size 14 in those. And then we'll go back for the large vest, the large black vest. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you once again, Walmart, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. You can find all the links in the description box below.